Forestry Street on 36th,
Yes.
but that turned into a double tree, and
Right.
they moved over here.
Oh, I see. Okay.
No, not.
A few rooms for future stay.
Yeah, his family's coming over, so
They already booked, but they
we're
wanted
already
me to.
booked, but
They wanted me to do a little side check for
double
them.
check.
Yeah.
Usually,
And so how does it work with the bar downstairs? Is it just like open for certain hours, or?
the bar downstairs, there's the bar and the restaurant. Restaurant is breakfast and dinner,
Oh,
and the
okay.
bar is usually it opens from 4 to usually 11 p.m. every night. Yeah.
And is the breakfast included, or?
Breakfast, you would have to, if you talk to one of the in-house reservations agents, they could get you the breakfast, with the room.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you can also just go down and order like
Yes,
coffee.
yes, of course.
Okay.
Oh, it's locked. Might as
That's a
well.
great thing for even
It's also great if you have like a
if you were a kid, you would
crazy
love
person that you
If
need to
you
tie
were-
down.
Yeah. If you're a kid, you would think that's the coolest thing ever.
I think so too.
And then
Oh, there's
especially
also
the
this
parents
little
can close
credenza.
it. The kids
Also,
don't
there's
get
two
paid.
televisions,
You
and
just fold them back into the wall.
that's great. And the wet bar, and show them that. And, okay, I think it's good.